Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you visit my channel, click on the like, comment on the video, subscribe, and you can also share my videos to your friends. It's free.
Nwafor Ogidi is annual festival, usually done in Ogidi in the mid-July. Nwafor Ogidi history has it that the festival customarily takes a period of 11 days, between the first Friday, Afor, in the month of July, and for the next 10 days, a few days to the festival, specifically on the Orie market day. Several traditional masquerades perform the traditional dance from one place to another in the community, setting the pace for the main event. Therefore, the high point, which is usually on Sunday, occurs when people gather at the Igwe, the King's Palace, to say prayers and thank God for a successful cultivation period, and also pray for bulky harvest on New Year. Nwafor Ogidi Festival brings brothers together. Apart from Christmas celebration, Ogidi is a town in Anambra Southeast Nigeria.